If you're seeing the Gmail error 400 invalid request, don't worry. This usually means something is blocking the sign-in process, or your email app needs a different kind of password to connect properly. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 proven fixes that can help you get Gmail working again fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Let's get into it. First, we'll generate a Google app password. This is important if you're trying to sign in through an email client like Outlook, Apple Mail, or another app that doesn't accept your regular Gmail password anymore. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/apppasswords. Sign in with the Google account that's giving you the error. If prompted, complete any 2-step verification steps first, since Google may require that before showing the app password option. Once you're on the app passwords page, select the app and device you want to use. If you don't see your exact app listed, choose Other and type a custom name like Mail App or Desktop Client. Then click Generate. Google will create a 16-digit app password for you. Copy that password carefully because this is what you'll use instead of your normal Gmail password inside the email client. Open your email app, go to the Account Sign In or Password field, and paste in the app password. Save the settings and try connecting again. In many cases, this alone fixes the invalid request error right away. If you still see the problem, the next thing to do is update the app or browser you're using. An outdated browser or email app can cause authentication issues and prevent Google sign-in from loading correctly. Open the browser or app menu, then look for Help, About, or Settings. From there, check for available updates and install anything that's pending. If you're in a browser, refresh the page after updating. If you're in a desktop app, fully close it and reopen it so the update can take effect. Then try signing in again. A simple update often clears out broken login behavior and fixes the error 400 invalid request message. Now for the third fix, which is especially helpful if Gmail won't load properly in a browser. Temporarily disable browser tracking protections, strict privacy settings, ad blockers, or privacy extensions. To do this, click the browser menu, usually the 3 dots in the corner, then open Extensions or Privacy and Security Settings. Look for any strict tracking protection, content blockers, script blockers, or privacy extensions that could interfere with Google sign-in. Turn them off temporarily, then reload Gmail and try logging in again. Sometimes these protections block the cookies, scripts, or redirect steps Google needs to finish the authentication process. If Gmail works after disabling them, you can turn them back on one by one to find out which extension caused the issue. So to recap, generate a Google app password if you're using an email client, update your browser or app to the latest version, and temporarily disable tracking protections or browser extensions if Gmail sign-in is being blocked. These 3 steps solve the Gmail error 400 invalid request in many situations. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Gmail or Google error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.